Daewoo Technology Company Limited, Wenzhou, is located in the Wenzhou Economic and Technological Development Zone. It's covering 19,673 square meters. Registered capital of $4.3 million US dollars. The total assets of $15 million US dollars. The main business for distilling equipment and beer brewing equipment. We are one of the large distillation equipment manufacturers in China. In December 2015, DYE Company signed a strategic agreement with the well-known Canadian distillers to understand more how to make distilling alcohol. In November 2016, DYE Company get High Honor Award, China National High-Tech Enterprises. In January 2017, DYE Company has purchased $3.1 million US dollars of modern laser production equipment. At present, DYE Distilling Equipment Technology and Quality is one of leading position of Chinese market, and we have 3A, CE, PED, ISO 9001, ASME, UDEM certification. DYE products have been exported to the United States, Europe, Canada, UK, Australia, Russia, Mexico, more than 50 countries and regions. Our mission is to make distillation easier. Our vision is DYE is one of the world's best-known distillation system solutions. DYE Technology in 2021 has become one of the world's first-class brewing and distilling equipment enterprises. We wish with our customers to create a better tomorrow together.